सब्सक्राइब कीजिए नेहरा क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome back to our shell scripting series, session 11. My name is Vikas Nehra and you are watching Nehra Classes YouTube channel. Friends, in previous session, we learned the method of performing the arithmetic operations on integers in bash shell scripting. In today's session, we will learn how can we perform the arithmetic operations on decimal numbers in shell scripting. We have used two methods to perform the arithmetic operations on integers, and in this method which I am showing you in this script, we use the expr command for the same. So what happens if we try to use this method for decimal numbers? Let me run the script and let me mention the first number as 20.5. means this time we are giving the input as decimal numbers, not integers. And let me mention the second number as 2.2. Then you will find that this script will give us an error like non-integer argument. So we cannot use this method for the decimal numbers. To perform arithmetic operations on decimal numbers, we use BC command in our shell scripts. BC stands for basic calculator. If we will open the help manual of this BC command, you will find that it is a basic calculator that is available in almost all Linux flavors. And here the name is BC, an arbitrary precision calculator language. And the syntax, you can go through the description and you can go through the options. How can we use it? So we will use this BC command in our script for arithmetic operations on decimal numbers. Let me show you how can we do that. So I'm going to open the script file in VI editor and let me comment these lines. To use BC, we will use the pipe symbol. So let me show you one basic operation. How can we perform the addition? Let me show you. So this time I am mentioning the value here directly. Let's mention 22.5 as the first number, second number as 8, and then we have to mention the pipe symbol here, and this command will behave like an input for the basic calculator. So we can mention BC after the pipe symbol. Save the script, and on the execution you will find that it will give us the result. So it is giving us the result as 30.5, which is absolutely correct. In the same fashion, we can perform addition, multiplication, division, modulus operation. So let me copy and paste all the operations. In the first operation, it is performing the addition. In the second one, it is performing the subtraction, then multiplication, then division, and in the last one it will perform the modulus operation. So let me save and execute the script. So please have a look at the right hand side of the terminal where I'm going to execute this script. So you will find that it is giving us the correct value for the addition, correct value for the subtraction, correct value for the multiplication. For division, it is giving us the result as 2, which is not accurate, and for the modulus operation it is giving us the correct value. So why it is not giving us the accurate value for the division? That is because we have not set up to how much places of decimal it should give us the value. So for that we need to mention the scale operator inside this double quotes like this. So let me mention here scale, then we have to specify up to how many digits we want to get the accurate value. So up to 3 places of decimal I want the accurate value, so I will mention here 3. Then we can mention the semicolon and save this script. I'm going to execute it one more time just to check whether it gives the accurate value for the division or not. So this time it is giving us the accurate value up to 3 digits. So by using the scale operator we can achieve it. Now we can also perform the other math operations like trigonometric operations and square root, exponential. All those operations we can also perform by using this BC operator, BC command in our scripts. So let me show you how can we do that. This time we will not use the constant values, we will use the variables. So let me uncomment these lines from the script file, and we will use the echo command which will take the input from the user for the first number and store it in the num1 variable by using the read command, and this echo line will take the second number from the user, and this read operator will set this value, will store this value in this num2 variable. Now we will use the echo command for the operations as we have done earlier. So here we can use the variables, that is num1 plus num2. So we will mention here $num2 like this, and then we can use the pipe symbol and BC, and if we want we can mention here the sum is and the division is and something like that. So first line will perform the addition. In the second line we will use minus symbol here for the subtraction. The third line will perform the multiplication. This fourth line will perform the division, but this time we will have to mention the scale operator here. So let me mention the scale operator. So we will mention here scale equals to 3 colon like this, first number, second number, pipe and BC, and in the last operation we can mention here percentile or the modulus operator for the remainder. So these are the basic operations which we can perform. Here in the fifth line I will show you how can we perform the other math operations. Let us suppose if I want to take the square root. So here I will mention here scale is equal to 4 if I want the result up to 4 places of decimal, then colon. To perform the square root operation I can use the sqrt command here, and inside the brackets I will mention the number whose square root we want to calculate like this. We will close the inverted commas, double inverted commas, then pipe symbol and BC. And if we are using these functions, these math operations, so we can call the math library, and for that we can mention BC-L here. So keep in mind, if you are performing the additional math operations you can include this option here, otherwise you will get an error. So we will use BC-L to call the math library, and we can also perform the other operations like the exponential operations. So we can mention here scale is equal to 3 if I want the result up to 3 places of decimal. Then let us suppose if I want to calculate 3 to the power 3, so we will mention here 3 up arrow 3. This is the exponential function, and pipe BC-L like this. Save this script and execute it. So please have a look at the right hand side of the terminal where I am going to execute this script. So it is asking me to enter the first number. Let me enter the first number as 46.5. It is asking me to enter the second number. Let us suppose it is 8.6. So we'll find that it is giving us the results for the first additional operation as 55.1, for subtraction 37.9. It is also correct. For the third operation, that is a multiplication, it is giving us the result 399.9. That is also correct. For division 5.406, that is also correct. The fifth one is modulus operation, giving us the result as 3.5, which is the remainder. That is also correct. For the square root operation, it is giving us the result as 25.0000, which is absolutely correct. And for 3 to the power 3, it is giving us the result as 27, which is also true. So by using this BC command, we can perform the additional mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, trigonometric functions, exponential functions, square root functions. All operations we can perform very easily. And if you want to go in detail, you can just read the help manual of this BC command, and there you can find the options which can you use and how can you perform the additional other operations. So you can go through this. So friends, that's it for today's session. Hope you will like this video and share with your friends and colleagues. And I'll request you, if you are new on our channel, then please subscribe us and turn on the bell notification for the latest updates. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Take care.